is up, everybody? Welcome to our YouTube channel. I should say welcome back to our YouTube channel. It has been a very, very long time. We have seen so many wonderful messages from all of you. We love you so much. Thank you. We are still alive and well. No, we don't post as much as we used to, but we are very excited to post today. We have something so exciting to share with you guys that my handsome husband right here and his incredible partner Jerome have been working on for months.
That's right, you guys. If you noticed, about 30 days ago, we made a small announcement that we were starting a new company alongside my friend Jerome, and our first product is going live today. Chelle, show us what we got.
Introducing the Sticky Stand. Yes, we introduced it about 30 days ago. If you're not following Sticky Stand on Instagram or TikTok, make sure you go over and check them out right now. We have been posting like crazy over on those two channels. If you guys are missing us, just go check us out on Sticky Stand.
If you guys have no idea what we're talking about, let me give you a quick little refresher on what this is right now. So the company that we created is called Sticky Stand. And our first product is this slick little popsicle holder. I don't know if you've ever suffered from a sticky hand after eating a melting popsicle, or you've had your kids handing you popsicles because they want to go do something else real quick. This solves all of that. Basically, take your popsicle, throw it right in there, and then hold it underneath, and you have a perfect little drip guard. But the best part is you can set this thing down anywhere. Fully supports your popsicle. When you're ready to pick it back up, we have these two small handles there, very natural to grab. Pick it back up and you see that stick just slides right through and you can grab it underneath and you're ready to go. It's just the craziest, simplest little product that I think will solve a lot of people's problems. So we have been teasing about the release of Sticky Stand for over a month now, and the big news today is that it is now available over on Kickstarter.com. We're gonna be putting a link in this description. Make sure you go click on it to check it out and buy your own set of Sticky Stands. Get over there today, April 16th, and make your pledge because the best discounts are for only 24 hours. So if any of you don't know what Kickstarter is, let me explain it real quick. It's very simple and very cool. Basically, it's a website that really helps launch small companies just like Sticky Stand. Honestly, it's the perfect platform for us to release this product and launch this new company. And how it works is you are basically pre-ordering product. Developing and manufacturing and then advertising for a new product can be very, very expensive. So what's cool about Kickstarter is with all of the pre-orders, we'll end up getting that money after the 30-day campaign is over, and that will go towards building the mold. These are just 3D printed here. They're all prototypes so far. We have not made real product yet, but all of that money will go towards the first round of inventory, and all of the rewards that you pledged for on Kickstarter will be delivered to you this summer. We're trying to stay ahead of the game, make sure we're on schedule so you can get these and use them as soon as possible. Once the Kickstarter is funded and we ship all of your Sticky Stands out to you, this is what they're gonna come in. We just got our first samples of the packaging box. I think it looks pretty rad. A few instructions there, sweet logo. And then when you open it up, there are your Sticky Stands.
We cannot thank you all enough for all of the love and support that you have shown us over the years that we have been traveling and sharing our life with you guys on YouTube. Truly, we are so beyond excited for this next adventure. I am so incredibly proud of my handsome hubby right here and his buddy Jerome for creating this product. You guys, they're gonna like just solve this age-old problem of sticky hands and sticky popsicles and stained sidewalks and porches. Make sure you guys get over to Kickstarter.com right now. check out Sticky Stand and make a pledge. We would so appreciate it.
The best discounts are in the first 24 hours. A stack of 5 like this is only gonna be $14. Pretty great deal if you ask me. Make sure you get over there as soon as possible and tell all your friends, you guys. Tell anyone you know that likes to eat a popsicle that these are now available on the market and gonna solve a lot of their problems.
Summer is coming. Guys, Sticky Stand just in time. Check it out.
We also made a very rad video for the Kickstarter project that's over on Kickstarter, but I'm gonna put it right here at the end of this video for you guys, and it'll explain a lot more about where this idea came from, how it works, all of the above. And you may recognize a few of the actors that helped us out to make this video. Huge shout out to them. Thank you, little actors out there. Hope you enjoy it. What's up everyone, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jerome.
And we are the creators of Sticky Stand. Has this ever happened to you?
Hang on, give me 1 second, my kid. You guys, yes, of course.
Never again with Sticky Stand. Sticky Stand is both a popsicle stand and a drip guard. All you have to do is slide your popsicle stick through the center of the stand and it'll catch any drips from your melting popsicle. And the best part is you can set it down anywhere.
So Daniel and I have worked together for over a decade. We've made some pretty complicated stuff in that time. We've made home automation products. We've even made a 250-pound fighting robot you might have seen on TV at some point. So Sticky Stand started as kind of a joke between me and my wife. She recently had surgery and I found myself holding her popsicles all the time that she was eating during her recovery. So I realized I could replace myself with something that I could make on my 3D printer. So I went into my office, I designed a little stand, I printed it, and I took it into her office and showed it to her. And it was this little guy right here. She took it and she started using it for her popsicles and she's been using it ever since.
It's been really cool to see people's reactions as we've slowly started rolling out Sticky Stand, showing family and friends, and seeing how it's blowing their mind that they can actually set their popsicle down and how convenient that is.
So once I had the Sticky Stand made and my wife was using it all the time, we found a new problem at our house, which was my kids were stealing it from her all the time. You know, I'd find my youngest daughter playing on her phone at the table with it, completely hands-free, just eating her popsicle. And I'd find my son eating down by his computer. He could put it down and use his hands with the keyboard. My oldest daughter really likes to draw. I'd find her just taking a bite of her popsicle, setting it down, drawing, picking it back up. I realized really quick that this little popsicle stand was becoming a big part of our lives.
We had to go through a lot of different versions to find the perfect shape for Sticky Stand. I think this one is actually version 14. Sticky Stands are going to come in packs of 5, each in a fun, cool color, and they all stack together. This makes it so easy to store them in the kitchen, throw them in a bag, take them to the beach, or anywhere else you want to go. The stand center hole will fit almost all traditional popsicle sticks, and they will fully support your popsicle when you set it down. We added 2 handles on opposite sides of the stand to make it really easy and natural to pick up from the table, countertop, or wherever you set it down. Just grab the handles, let the stick slide right through, and you can grab it underneath, and now your stand has turned into the perfect drip guard, protecting your hands from any stickiness of a melting popsicle. Forget your popsicle somewhere? Don't even worry about it. Sticky Stand has a built-in tray that'll catch the last few bites that you forgot about. And when you're finished up, you can easily hand wash Sticky Stand or just throw it right in the top rack of your dishwasher.
So Daniel and I have made tons of prototypes. We've gotten past that phase now and we're working with a manufacturer that we've used on projects in the past. We're gonna make sure that they do all the chemical testing to make sure these are safe for your kids. They're gonna do a good job of kicking these out in high quantities so that everybody can enjoy Sticky Stand.
Product development can definitely be an expensive process, especially when you start manufacturing and bringing that product to market. And that is where you guys come in. Today we're asking you to pledge to help fund the manufacturing and first round of inventory for Sticky Stand. And in exchange, we'll be sending you guys Sticky Stands from our very first batch.
Thanks for checking out our project and thanks for your support. We're excited for you to free your hands with Sticky Stand.